What's up, guys? Today we're going to be looking at tornado edits on TikTok.
And Pibble, wash my belly.
W's. Tornado interceptor edit right here. Not many edits about it. That's why we did 7 really. Kind of simple edit. And about
The Dominator 3.
Hi, my name's Reed. I'm made for TV.
Built these vehicles that should resist a weak tornado.
Alright.
Trying to learn more about how tornadoes form.
Let's take a tour of the ultimate storm chasing vehicle, the Titus. She's equipped with 24 surveillance cameras.
Oh, we can do my edit. We got Dominator 1 and 2. The claws in there. I guess the game doesn't have claws. I get why though. Not everything can be realistic. Okay. I actually have claws. Okay. You actually don't know what the movie is gonna be. Okay, this is about to be different. Oh my god, it's like the Yolanda. Cause that's like how like much like Yolanda got this. Okay, that was good at it. Okay, so one of the edits. Here's one. No, not that It's alright, cause it's CC. Huh? CC Kids 1? It's a tornado edit. Whoa. It's really cool right there. It's like the... You can see, well, like 5-year-old PC is the old helicopter. It was tornado with that. It was made like 1990. It was made like 1970 something. I don't know that. I know quad it's Sean Casey's first interceptor, I think. It's not really an interceptor because it's actually a boat. I like the edit. Ooh, it's Dorothy. Okay, I'm actually gonna tell you something before we watch this. A little bit about Titus. We don't know if it's fully confirmed, but we all think Titus was a little bit of a mix with Dominator 3 and Tiv 2 a little all together, because you can tell it was definitely mixed with Tiv 2 a little bit because it has a turret, but the spikes are so random. Like I like the spike deployment like type. It's just kind of random that they did it so it plunges out. If it had like flaps when it got lifted in the movie Into the Storm, it probably would have survived anyways. True.
You know, like Liberty, Tesla, fried chicken, party in the Hollywood Hills. And you be like, gang,
Of course.
gang, 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 gang. Word. You know, like
Shift 2 is good, but that's just, you're just glazing on it. Tornado. Ooh, tornado. You also putting in the poster boy. I think the song is actually called Poster. But yeah. Game are you playing out there, boy? Yeah, that's the new game. I never played it. I may want to do it. I don't know if this movie. I don't know what this movie was actually based off on. Was it based off on the Moore, Oklahoma 1999, or is it based on the Yo Rhino? Or is it just like a random tornado? It's two.
Support.
What do you mean? Oh yes, this one. And then 2013. W. Did no, it was in the Dominator actually. Intercepting a tornado. The Raptor? Tornado. I don't know what's RIP. That's gonna be it for today. Peace. Yeah.